Hi! Filling out documents manually can be a tedious task. Today, I'll show you how to use a script for Google Sheets that automates the process of data loading and PDF document creation. Let's get started. First, open the file and make sure you have all the necessary permissions to work with Google Docs and Google Drive. To do this, use any of the menu items under the Templates section. Click the first button, and the system will display a dialog window for granting scopes. Click the subtle Advance link to access the scopes, and then allow everything the system requests. These permissions are essential and allow the script to work correctly and automatically generate documents. Menu structure. Our menu has two main items: fetch source data for the selected IDs, create PDF documents for the selected IDs. These actions help you work efficiently with your data and generate the necessary documents. Sheet structure. Our file includes logs to record operations, templates to store document templates, and a data sheet. The name can be anything. You'll use it to load and process the data. Step 1. Fill in IDs and load data. Start with manually entering a few IDs from your source. You can also predefine some values manually. Then, select the rows to be processed by the script. You can select just the IDs or any custom range of data, but entire rows will be processed. Click the first button to load the missing data. Keep in mind that any previously filled data will not be overwritten. The data will appear on the sheet, and the result of this operation will also be logged on the logs sheet in JSON format. Once the data is loaded, you can edit it manually, for example, to change a company name or fix a mistake. Just make the changes directly in the desired cells. Before we create documents, let's prepare the templates. Create one or more templates in Google Drive. Then go to the template sheet and paste the links there. The script uses a custom name as a template identifier. You can name it anything. It doesn't have to match the file name. But make sure the name is unique, so the system selects the correct template. Now that templates are ready, they will be available for selection for each row of data. All that's left is to link each template to the data using tags. Use tags inside the template and match their names to the tags' headers in a second row on your data sheet. Next step, creating PDF documents. Select the rows again and click the second button. The script will automatically generate PDF documents for the selected rows, using the assigned templates. After that, the status will be updated for each row. A folder will be created to store the documents, and its link will appear in the Folders column. Use this link to quickly access the documents. All the data, including the links to the generated PDFs and processing status, will also be recorded in the logs sheet. You'll be able to track everything. The system also supports using multiple templates per row. This is useful if you want to split an amount across several documents. Let's add two columns and name them Block Balance and Amazon Balance. You can place them anywhere and name them however you like. Please also define tags for these fields. Now we have two extra fields to distribute the balance. Let's use these tags in templates. Just duplicate the original templates and insert the two new tags in the appropriate ones. Back to the data sheet and select multiple templates for each data row. Then run the script. Two separate documents will be generated per row and saved in the target folder. You can also duplicate the data sheet for other purposes, such as a new dataset or a different user. Everything will work the same way across multiple sheets. A few important notes. Rows with missing IDs or unselected templates will be skipped silently during processing. The system handles key user errors. If anything critical goes wrong, you'll get a warning. The warning should be clear, but if you're unsure, just ask me. Make sure column names on the datasheet remain unchanged and correctly labeled, since the script uses them for navigation. To avoid overloading the system, once the logs sheet exceeds 15,000 rows, the oldest 1,000 entries will be deleted automatically. This can be adjusted in the code. Use tags in your templates, such as date, to automate value replacement. Tags can be used multiple times in a template, but do not duplicate them on the datasheet. Avoid running too many rows at once. The script has a time limit, and its runtime depends on several factors, including document complexity and system load. You'll get a feel for the ideal batch size during testing.